Hello friends, in this program you are watching how to add two numbers in C++ program. Here the first line of this program, hash include iostream.h. Hash include is the part of the source code which needs to be executed before it is compiled into an executable file. Hash include is used to add header files. These header files with h extension contains prototype of the sum functions, also known as the library functions, which you use in your C++ code. IOStream is used to invoke the commonly used functions like cout, cin in a C++ program. IOStream stands for input-output stream. Second line of this program is hash include conio.h. It is console input-output header files. Hash include conio.h indicates that user is going to take console input from device and will give some output. This is header file in C language. Mostly it is written in Turbo C++ compiler. The third line of this program is void main. The void main indicates that the main function will not return any value, but the integer main indicates that the main function can return integer type data. The fourth line of this program indicates that it's an open parenthesis. We use it to write the body on the content of the program. This is the next line, integer ap. It declares two variables a and b which contain same data type integer. Integer denotes integer type of data. This line indicates clear the screen. We use it to clear the screen so that we can easily see that before watching our data we can clear our screen. Cout enter two numbers. This line indicates the plus C++ out or cout statement is the instance of the OStream class. It is used to produce output on the standard output device, which is usually the display screen. The data needed to be displayed on the screen is inserted in the standard output stream cout using the insertion operator. This is we call the insertion operator and we use it for cout. The next line cin. Let's see what does it mean. The cin object in C++ is an object of class iostream. It is used to accept the input from the standard input device, is that keyboard. It is associated with the standard C input stream stdin. The cin refers to character and in means input. Hence cin means character input. Second line of this program, next line of this program is integer sum a plus b. Here a and b are two integers that are added in some variable. Plus sign is an arithmetic operator between a plus b. This is arithmetic operator.